Okay. Can we, can I read this?
Read it.
Okay.
At ping, Alex Sakos. I do have a message to whom it may concern. I want to perform this act of searching homes for rare or obscure smoke detectors, and we are prohibited to do so unless your presence is in the voice call. It would be greatly appreciated, grandly convenient, so extravagantly splendid for you to join the voice call in the Discord group chat known as, quotes, home searching. This is not a demand or a forceful note telling you to join or be executed, but a request of mine so that I can do something that isn't look at the old exit sign I bought at 6:41 a.m. CST. And so that we can continue to speak tornado sirens made by Acoustic Technologies Incorporated, more specifically the HPSS-32. I got that on camera too.
Oh, so you crashed ATIs now, Ethan?
Wait, we're gonna have a...
Wait, do I have it as PNG?
Everybody.
I don't care. I'm home searching now.
Everybody,
PNG
let's
or
just
JPEG?
guys. Let's all just secretly home search. Let's all just secretly home search, so that
No,
way.
I'm sorry. I don't want to right now. So.
Okay, so just me and it to go. I'm gonna do
Guys.
What?
Yeah.
I has found a cursed siren.
Womp womp. Crash.
There is a cone on top of the siren.
Why does this house have a fire sprinkler in it?
I've been home searching for 17 seconds. What's this?
Oh.
It's disgusting.
No, I said what on earth?
Guys, we got
Almost
luck.
birthday, you scoundrel.
What do you want?
Oh, I found a canned system B for Alex. I do.
James, put French on him.
Okay, we're gonna test the pink floyd plus crystal luck and see what happens.
I'm not gonna do anything, bro. Trust me. You're gonna have all the fun. I'm doing this song first because I like it.
Okay, I'm gonna take Arizona and New Mexico.
Wah wah.
I'm scared of Adam searching the U.S. He seems to pull things
It's
off in
fine.
thin air.
It's fine.
No, it's not.
I'll be fine.
No, we're not fine.
I'm gonna be honest. This first house.
You will not be fine. You will not go with you.
You somehow pull things out of thin air. You're the only person in this call to find a legit SS-718.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I can't talk. I found the plastic shell. Also, is it just me, or does this frickin' Slim Jim have the frickin' Bluetooth bass?
Bro, why is my luck actually so bad?
You have a negative luck.
Okay, I completely agree. I completely agree with you. I just found a BA sitting on a completely random shelf in the basement.
Found one of those wireless things.
That's good to know. I totally know what a wireless thing is.
It's very specific, you know.
I know. Oregon.
Okay, did I finally? No! Damn it.
You know what that thing I found is? I don't know what it is.
I don't know, but I could okay, finally. Finally. Black & Decker with the test button in the middle. Bro! What is the point of this?
Hey, dude.
Someone's...
Bro, what? For a second, I thought one of them was the newer logo and the other one wasn't.
Okay, that is the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
I always find those weird doorbells.
Hey guys, I found a side view of those new I-9040 looking.
Oh my god!
They're
Oh my
really
god!
chunky.
Oh my god!
What?
That is another thing I can find before an SS-718.
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh no. What?
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 That's the first one that we've seen.
One of those freaking things, whatever those prices are.
You found the 67-in-1 carbon monoxide smoke detector, HyperX microphone, Dell computer monitor, Cat Blue cup, Bose speakers from 2010, Logitech K350 keyboard, new logo, Dell computer monitor, James nose hair, VTech
James
phone,
nose hair.
folder plate. Adam wondering what my reaction was to that. Discord ping, frickin' shower curtain, window curtain, lamp curtain, light bulb, cardboard box, moving box, vacuum, folding chair with no padding. You found the 23-in-1 special, my man.
Gonna be honest, the Wi-Fi symbol on that thing kind of looks like an ATI.
I just got back. Yeah, you got the RS1 up our hands. I cannot express in words of how I can find the 19-in-1.
Has anyone searched the Texas?
The Texas?
I have
Yes.
the
Taxes.
I haven't.
I have.
Okay then.
I'm going to Maryland.
Oh,
I'm going to Alabama and Georgia.
Maryland.
that
no
was
one
also
ever
in
searched there.
Ohio.
It's the same area. I found
Oh,
a dog.
Itigo, I found your RS1.
Guys, I found a dog.
Nifty.
And since you said two of them, there's the
1111
second one.
S. Slate Street.
State.
You know, it'd be
I
really
just found
funny.
one of those.
What the hell? Okay, Alex
Photoshopped.
Sakos will be
It'd
proud.
be really funny if
Oh my! I didn't even know it was painted.
What the floof?
Help me, get me out of the ocean.
What the floof is this? Wait for it.
I'm not clicking on the stream because I'll stop echoes.
What? Ethan?
You found one of the
Okay, 800.
Wait, what?
SA4 in the US. He found one.
What?
Ethan.
No.
You did not find the 1839 system detector.
I did?
Wait, hold
You
on.
found it. I'm sad.
Oh,
Very
come.
New York, New York. Grand Central Park. I'm about to find another. James, there's another one. Is that a third? No, that's a first one. Oh, hey, there's another one.
I'm back and what? There's two of them? My God, bro.
3. Nope, there's 3. 4.
What?
Okay. I'm not even finishing the song. I don't deserve it.
There's 4.
Where to go? I said there's 5. This is like the 2769s that I found over and over again. Please refrain from pulling a me.
Did you say there was one in the bathroom?
No,
Yes, you
it's
did.
just an air freshener.
Because of you, I'm permanently stuck in the ocean.
It looked weird to me. I was like, what on earth are those? What's going on here then?
Okay, I don't know what's about to happen. So, I have my eyes on the group chat.
3, 2,
2, 1. I'm moving a filter just in case.
E.
Saved.
What?
Look, Alex. Look. Wait, what?
What?
Wait, what?
Wait.
What?
Wait, who is that?
Consider the image saved.
Who is that?
I do not know.
I have no idea.
Is that the challenge? Is that the challenge?
Oh, we have to figure out who it is.
No.
No!
No.
I saved that for
It's
nothing.
gonna be hard.
This is hard.
It's even worse. It's not Flora.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one. Okay, let's break it down. Wait. Wait. Hold on.
Gotta love the confusion here.
Wait, where am I? Season 4. Where's? Dude, the.
Excuse me.
Oh wait. I think I might have saw something. Red dress.
Oh, no.
Oh my. That might be it. That might be it.
Can you send it?
That
No.
might be it. Unfortunately,
No.
it's only a top shot. I couldn't find the whole thing. That might be it.
Really?
Though.
That might be it.
Possible.
That might be it.
That is very much possible. The color.
That has to be.
Oh, colors. Wait. Wait. I found another image of that. No, like it's not the best. Wait. Here, let me go to that though.
Check mark.
Okay, we figured 2 or 3. So it's Stella. Wait, Alex.
What?
Stella
Wait a
red.
minute.
Stella red outfit.
Oh no! I just realized that. Oh my god.
She has
Oh my god.
outfit.
Oh my god. It's too beautiful. It's too.
It's not as good as Flora's, but genuinely that one's
What a
pretty good.
template.
I have like custom YouTube music that has like Discord rich person.
Oh
so you
god,
can
here
just
comes the
link-
spam. I was not expecting to see. I was not expecting it to be Stella.
I'm saying that right now.
How are we
That's
gonna figure
another
out
one.
who's Tara?
That's another one that's too powerful for me.
Oh, this will be
Me
fun.
personally, I'm worrying about telling him.
You know what that means, right? More nightmare fuel.
Less nightmare fuel.
So expect me to crash more. I should be scared right now.
It's not related to the thing that we just saw, but I'm gonna send an image.
Oh no.
It's a Flora different red outfit. It's not the same one.
Oh lord. Excuse me.
I hate to break it to you guys, but
No, break it to us.
The only-
We don't hate it.
What?
I found the exact episode and stuff, but we only get 3 seconds of it, and it's gone. Ooh.
No.
Thank you for breaking me. That's even more nightmare fuel added to the furnace.
Oh, wait, Adam, you found an episode with the outfit?
Oh yeah, I did some reverse image searching, and I did a little bit of Wikipedia. Yeah, I found it.
Also, yes, that's a tiered button 120. Okay, I'm gonna take a wild guess.
Queen Luna. Yep.
Wait, it was right?
Protected.
It was right?
Because James, here's the thing. James, in that episode, she's queen for the day. Wait, what? They upped the
The
price.
price was raised. Wow.
Are you serious? Bro.
And for that reason...
Yeah, at least the shipping is free.
the Stitch and Vintage sell.
At least the shipping is free.
I am gonna go on the limb and go to... Wait. I don't think I had a license plate for Stella. Dang it! I was gonna go to Stella's state and I realized she doesn't have a license plate. I can't believe I found I can't believe I found a 49,001 kid alarm yesterday.
It's a 49,000.
It's a kid of 67 and 1.
Oh yeah.
The new Kidda 19.1 body wash, carbon monoxide alarm, 86 RAC car alarm, BeamNG Drive Ultra Edition, Pepsi can, Pringles monitor, James nose hair, other stuff in one. Kidda. Oh my god.
What?
I can find a First Alert GCO1 before
a GCO1.
before an SS-718. At least I really hope that's the model.
Send the photo because I cannot remember what in the heck a GCO1 is. I've heard of it before. Wait. First.
You've asked this question before.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, it is a GCO1, by the way.
Okay.
My first find is a goofy Chinese piece of crap.
Oh, I found a
Yeah.
black.
James, tell me about the first, the one with all the FG $2 and stuff. That one house.
Oh yeah, it was.
Same house. Same house. I think this is what this Chinese piece of crap replaced. This is disgraceful.
Better be a NCO-IB.
Shut up. It's not an IB anyway.
Well, I don't even.
Look.
Where are you sending?
Look. Just look.
Oh.
Freaking disgraceful.
It replaced.
I'd rather have that old unit than that Chinese piece of crap.
I'd rather have that Chinese piece of crap than that old unit.
Shut up. My luck is awful so far.
That's great.
My
We
luck
have
is
all of your luck.
my luck is actually pretty good. I found a GE again. Or not again, actually, because the other one was the Black & Decker. But yeah, I found a GE this time. 8201301.
Noise.
Oh, I found something that
Like,
Alex
one
is
of
still.
Drain.
Has Alex even found a logoless core yet? Because I just did.
No. I found it like 2 days ago, and I found.
To answer your question, no, I didn't.
To answer your question, yes, I did.
Stella's red outfit. We have like 3 seconds of it from an actual episode.
Yeah, I know, and that.
It was actually
that's why
televised.
I added to the furnace.
What did I just see?
Okay, I just.
Not roll that.
Right there.
303.
Wait, there's an 83R, right? Right? I'm gonna
What?
send them in the same message because it's the same place. And right on the stairs is that thing.
No. I am scared.
Guys,
What?
do you notice anything wrong with it?
It's a master guard without a heat sensor, MGB 380.
Wait, I see the problem. It's not
I
aligned
see
to
it
the
too.
base.
No, there's no unit. The guts are gone.
Wait, the guts are gone?
Wait.
I just realized that.
Wait. There might be. There's probably a unit in there. I bet you there's a unit in there.
There's no.
It made me pause my music for a minute, bro.
No, there's no test switch.
Oh, so that means it's probably.
He's right. There's no test switch. That means the guts are gone.
Yeah, because the test switch is attached to the sensor itself, so therefore. Oh god.
Oh no.
I gotta pause my music.
Right after I crashed,
do
I just crashed again.
And right after he crashes, it's my turn because I don't like seeing Gentex units like that. Oh god, that's been a minute. My throat's not gonna like me.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da. What? Oh, that has.
What?
Can these houses stop giving me cursed things?
Diamond Grove.
Shine on.
About 7 minutes late.
Alright, I'm sending the Sears.
Let's see. Oh, nice. 462.57471.
The extreme Sears memory again. wait, is this some sort of anthem, or is it just me?
Wait, when the lyrics come up, I'm gonna create my own lyrics for it.
For what?
Bet you.
You'll see.
Oh no, why did I say that?
Here we go. Remember that Alex loves acoustic technologies. Shine on, you crazy diamond. Acoustic Technologies Incorporated is the best siren of all time. Shine! He's crashing.
Crash limit 481.
He crashed like 5 times. Crashes and fatal spam. Please see manual prevention, Siren software, family door replacement service, and fatally crash.
Being sung. This will take a few minutes.
That's funny. You're just singing your tunes. Steel City Alarms has fatally crashed. This will take a few minutes. Oh,
Steel City Alarms has fatality and crashes in 10 softwares. Shine on, you crazy diamond.
You're gonna like it anyway.
10 different softwares are enough. As more nightmare fuel gets added. Shine on, you crazy
he's not gonna crash to it
diamond.
It's a CO250 and it's a first alert.
More nightmare fuel has been added. And even more screens. Blue screen of death. Red screen of terror. Acoustic Technologies Incorporated in Steel City's fatal.
Why 250s? Why CO250s?
I might have accidentally created the greatest song of all time.
That's just gonna make me crash fatally. No!
I should practice that and sing it.
I'll Photoshop an ATI.
That's even more nightmare fuel added to the furnace.
It's really that simple, you know.
That's it.
It's oh so
Oh my god. I hate my life. I so hate my life. I found a car that was not found to be a car.
That's Sears. Let's see, that's Sears right there.
77R based one, it looks like.
Yeah, the 7R basic.
You call it basic? How dare you?
I mean, for Sears it is.
I love 77R Sears. How dare you? I found 2 of them as
I
well.
like them too. It's just basic. I like it. Cave cost.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, it's painted!
What on earth is that?
Are you ready?
Do it,
No.
do it.
Right fucking now.
Do it.
That's nothing.
Really? That's
Yeah,
funny.
it's all psychic.
Oh my gosh, it's one of them.
Alright.
Painted
That
out.
is 7, and that one's in a kitchen.
Oh,
Guys, I
God.
just found my first What is... What?
Adam is having a ball, man. He's happy, we're happy. Hey, good time, man. Good time.
How do you have a daikon with a quar?
Daiquar. If it would have been to North Carolina.
No, that's there. That's there.
What?
Okay, well,
Bring
where's
it in
this?
the air.
Someone got a haircut.
I'm gonna reply to that with an ATI, and hopefully this one house in Alaska gives me something astonishing.
Uh-oh.
Wait, what?
No.
SSS-718.
No.
Proof.
No. No.
Proof right now.
No.
Show me proof right now.
No.
Give me the proof.
Oh no.
Do not give him the proof.
Give me the proof right now.
What the heck? I found an ESL without the heat sensor.
You said missing cancers and be. I want the proof. I don't care about anything else right now. We've seen those.
Ethan?
I know, but they're... What?
How? That is a very, very rare one.
You just said it wasn't.
Heat
Wait,
sensor
what?
list with the
That's
white
a
base.
That's a 445C with a white base, bro. You don't see those very often.
How do you have a 2100 in here? I'm getting out of here. This house is cursed.
Also, I heard missing cancers and be. Where's the proof?
James,
What?
shoes. They're not high heels, but they're shoes.
Look at GC. Does that look new to me?
Hi, Jaden.
Wait,
Banger,
let me see.
Does that look new?
Yes, yeah.
I can't hear him.
Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
What?
Oh no! Even worse, one of them is being dangled by a single screw. Oh no! Crap!
Yeah, guys, we could tell who Moogle likes to crash the most.
Yeah.
You know what? You know what? I'm gonna ruin the image for you for no reason. I'm gonna call it a nose.
Huh? Oh my god, why does it look like a nose upside down?
Yes, I am ruined an image for you.
It
Oh,
could either
no.
be something.
Oh,
I really
no.
hope it's not.
I guess I'm ready. What's up?
Oh.
Wait,
Five.
What?
Oh, different car. Different car, same outfit. Why do you keep on getting the rarest find out of everybody in this call?
I found two more.
That thing's also operating, which is extremely uncommon. No, ultra rare.
Two more operating too.
What did you find?
What have you done?
Oh my god!
It's nothing special in that.
Oh no, it's not. I finally found one.
Oh.
He was talking about.
Line cord. That's line cord.
That's like I just realized that.
Oh wait, it is line cord.
I feel like I found that.
Oh yeah, it is. Where's it going?
Oh, it's an R1X. Yeah.
It is on a line cord.
I feel like
It is line cord,
It's also connected to an extension cord.
guys. Oh wait.
Yeah, it is line cord. No.
You guys. Hey, Jaden and Alex.
What?
Since you found a line cord, y'all want a goblin in 3, 2, 1.
It is connected to extension cord. Gosh darn. It's not even plugged in! It's not even plugged in!
Oh god.
What the fluff is this?
Hey.
What?
Who does that?
Oh, that.
I've seen that already.
Yeah, that was. We've seen that. Yeah, but. That's so.
I am pissed.
That's
I
so.
am so pissed.
That's so depressing.
I am so pissed off.
That's so depressing, even though it's funnier.
Shut
How
up.
do you do
I don't
that?
want to hear it.
Wait a second. Wait, what?
What?
Okay then.
What? Alex?
What?
Chat?
Which one?
E?
I already saw it. And
Okay.
I'm not going to crash.
I'm kidding.
Too bad.
It's home searching. It's home searching.
Queen Blue flooring it with... What? What is that supposed to mean?
Is it the
Oh my god, I really don't want to crash. I really don't.
How hard do you think I'm the goblin? Hey. Alex, you first. He's. You enjoy crashing?
No.
Oh wait, I kind of forgot to crash. Yeah, I just spilled the means that I got a Mertone branded 1839 from Canada. I'm gonna record a YouTube short. I'll be right back. So this is a hardwired Smoky Stover 4202. So it sounds standard, right? It's just a regular piezo. Watch this. Listen to this dying sound. It won't stop in like 10 minutes. It does this for the next 10 minutes.
Welcome back.
I just recorded a YouTube short. I tested it again, and it's now doing the stupid thing again, where it just keeps on doing for the next 10 years. It's gonna be doing that for the next 10 years.
James,
What?
why?
Why not?
Why did you buy a Mertone 1839 IW-A? Hey!
Exactly. SA4s are super rare in the US.
Funny idea 101. Go home searching for 5 houses and see what I could find.
Send the full screenshot, please.
Let me do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna home search right now.
You only get 5 houses.
Okay.
What,
I'm gonna use my
please,
locations wisely.
Can I, please? I want to home search, please.
Everyone search only 5 houses. 5 houses.
My mouse is bad.
5 houses.
Let me get some music going.
I'm gonna set it to 1 date filter.
Been
Why
here.
are you
Okay, you know what?
screwing
Never
my
mind.
second?
Okay,
Okay,
I
wait.
did search 3 houses in North Carolina, but all 3 of them I've been to, so
Okay, okay, we all get one state then.
Michigan.
I picked Michigan.
No, I
I
said.
picked Michigan.
I said.
I'm in Michigan.
I said.
I'm in Michigan.
I picked it first.
God damn you.
What the?
Fun.
What the? What the? Wait, guys.
James, what's wrong with you?
Welland.
God.
I found a Welland vortex.
A what?
A what?
I
Now-
kid you not. I haven't even entered the house. Look at the front picture. Look at it.
Let me look at this.
Let me look. Hold on, to open up another tab.
Let me look.
No, not Agent Finder. Not Agent Finder.
Is
Dude,
this Zillow?
I'm ringing Alex for this. Yes, it's Ziller. Dude, I kid you not.
Oh, wait, did I see it?
I don't even see it.
Let me go. Hold on.
Hold down a minute.
Oh, but I see it. It's right behind you when you go behind out the house. Right behind you.
Oh my.
Jeez.
Wait, can I find it in the 3D tour? That's the question.
Dog, I can't even find it. I'm just finding 9120Bs.
Well,
Wait,
screw you,
am I?
James. I picked
Out of
Long
the house.
Island, New York.
Oh my god. I can find
Siren.
Alex.
Somebody was ringing me. What the hell happened?
I can find. No, everyone.
Wait, what happened?
Okay,
Vortex
okay.
in Michigan.
Okay. Well, everybody's talking over each other. I want to say it.
Bet.
What happened?
I can find a Welland vortex.
Oh, wait. During home searching?
Yes. I kid you not.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right,
For
yeah.
that reason.
Oh, wait, you already sent it. Let me unsend that now.
Alright, let me go ahead and turn my auto sensitivity off. And for that reason.
Start through my 5 houses now.
Oh no, the spam.
You can find it
I
somewhere.
haven't even looked in the hallway of that house.
It's just 9120Bs, by the way.
Wait, you're not allowed to search my house.
I thought it was a smoke alarm because I'm stupid.
Steel City Alarms has fatally crashed due to the following file. Wheelan Vortex R4 has been found during home searching.
You know that someone found
Please wait while the following user, Steel City Alarms, rethinks his life choices.
Bro, I crashed everyone except for Adam. Wait, or
Yeah, because I'm better.
Yeah, look, find Siren while home searching, that's something else.
dude, we're one step closer to finding an ATI while home searching.
Oh my god, that would be so funny. But I just realized in Canada
Dude,
that's actually possible.
the odds of that happening are slim to none.
Alright, let me get into these houses. Let's see what we can find.
Oh, wait.
Two software instead of one because I heard ATI.
I'm gonna search it anyway. It's a freaking Astrum tour.
Bro,
So, wait. You're freaking serious. You found a vortex during home searching.
I found it. Look, I sent the address.
Okay, I gotta look myself. I must
Just
look
look
myself.
Something is wrong with you, James.
like the
I
home
cannot
page.
How
speak
can
up.
I find a tornado siren before an SS-718?
That's just something else.
How?
That is something else.
How? I can't find an SS-718, but out of the all
You can find
odds.
a Whaling Vortex. Isn't that crazy?
What the hell?
Out of
Oh,
every odds it can possibly be, I found a Wayland vortex.
Ethan.
Yeah, this makes no sense.
I cannot with you.
I cannot with myself. Why? Tynix Bear, I want to rob your stone of memory so bad.
James.
Okay, after searching 5,
James. Alright, is that it now? James.
What?
Is that it?
I'm
someone was driving an elevator.
Okay, there's too much noise. One at a time, please.
Alright. I'll go first. I'll be back soon, like I said.
System detector.
I'll be back soon, just like I said earlier.
What the hell is... Bro, what the... What is this?
Oh, it is. It is.
Yeah.
So,
No,
Ethan?
what?
I might have found a thing for you.
Oh my god.
You found a missing Gabriel R7.
What?
James,
You need James?
submit. Like, oh god. You found a...
What?
Just like listen to Ethan trying to like hold it. He's like in a public building.
Oh, wait, that's right. That's right. He's in Washington.
Oh God. The place where I said everything is gonna be horrible. Not the place
You
where
know
I
where
said nothing is good.
People said wherever everything's gonna be horrible. Alaska.
Ethan just...
Alaska's not that bad. Okay, I'm going to Alaska right now.
No, that's my... Okay, actually, no, I can't.
What the heck?
You know what? This is meant to be my last house, but since I had the most obscure finds out of anything we've ever had in the series, I am going to finish Michigan whether you like it or not.
Okay.
What'd you say?
You found one of those super rare icons.
What do you mean super rare icon?
The message that you just sent.
What about it? It looks like a regular 300.
No, it doesn't.
Do you not see the double vents? Do you
I thought
not
that was-
see the double vents?
I thought that was just like... I thought that was just from the angles. I couldn't get a good angle on it.
No. Those exist. Those are extremely rare. Yeah, you haven't seen like one of those in like a year.
That was also in the U.S. for the record.
What? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, James.
What? As a prize for finding that, here's Luna shifting.
Uh-oh.
What? Earn.
I'm not daring to search the internet.
Why not?
Hey, hint. It's Stella's mother. Hey, I want to show you an AI president video, but I don't have my laptop since it's at the repair shop.
No! Stop giving me cheer bears.
Alex?
Oh, I found another square.
What's the square?
General
Hey, G.
Electric. Yeah. Jaden?
What? Oh, God.
How did you completely guess that right?
Yeah, he said square.
Oh, jeez.
It could have been any square.
It could be an S Protect, you know?
It could be a P900.
But
Or
I
it could be-
usually think
or it
it's
could be an
like
S-
your square, you know.
Or it could be an SS-718 or a fake.
Or it could be a Mastercard MGB380T.
Could be.
I found another square.
S Protect or GE?
GE.
It is GE.
Damn.
Got it.
I think. I don't even... It looks like a GE, but it's like... The angle's so bad, but... What? It's funny.
Yeah.
Okay, I found an SA...
Anyway.
I found a Dicon SA360 in the US.
What?
Anyway, you were saying?
I just saw an SA4. The big test button SA4.
Anyway, I heard the word saluting earlier, and, I'm a little scared. I know what's gonna happen.
Okay, so Alex locked in his answer with Musa. Jaden,
What was the question?
Who is the least popular out of the following? Musa, Aisha, Stella, Roxy, or Flora?
Wait, what were the answers? I forgot.
Musa, Aisha, Stella, Roxy, Flora.
Wait, Roxy?
Yeah, I'm looking at different questions right now.
Oh.
Your Roxy's in there.
Yeah. I'm just gonna guess Roxy.
Okay, Alex, Jaden's smarter than you are. That is the correct answer. In what universe do you think it was Musa?
I don't know. Wait, what was the correct answer?
Roxy.
I hate my life.
I'd like to know, in what universe, Musa's like the worst guess. She's like the most popular.
The alarm has fatally crashed due to the following file. Being very dumb in Base Club. But please wait while the following user rethinks his life choices.
Oh, never mind. Oh. Who has yellow hair and wears a red dress?
Wait. Based on that, it is Stella. Answer that.
I didn't even finish.
I know who it is now. Next one.
You knew it was this person?
Wait, what? What? Oh, wait, that is Stella. Yeah, it is Stella.
Yeah, it is.
Did you not see what was happening?
It's new. It's brand new. No. Can't be happening. This can't be happening. It can't be. It so can't be. No. I prohibit it. No. I can't.
Yeah, look. It's kind of right off at car.